We have our therapist in the house. We have our therapist in the house who has been using all the ingredients in, refined for a very long time, for a lot of, patients and all that. So she knows better about what is in this bottle. So just want to share little with us. Please listen to her. Madam, our therapist, please. I think you said you need to check. It's okay.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, everybody. The best kept secret of medicine is the body has the power to heal itself. If we do the right thing, the body has the power to heal itself. And another thing is knowledge is light. We can become whatever we choose to be. So I want everybody, please pick up your pen, because there are certain things that we are going to share today that we all benefit from it. Please pick up your pen, sir. My name is Hajiga Monsurat Adesada. I'm a certified therapist. I help to solve people's health issues with the power of plants and roots. Healing comes from God. I'm the CEO of Dot Salmon Wellbeing. Next slide, please. I will be talking about few patients have used ginkgo biloba to treat. I have used ginkgo. I have used it to treat glaucoma patients, patients suffering from insomnia, some with complicated health problem. I have someone that the period ceased at the age of 33. She's 43 now, I think 10 years ago. So I used ginkgo to treat her. I've used ginkgo to treat a tinnitus patient. Tinnitus is an ailment whereby you'll be hearing ringing in your hair without music. You hear as if plane wants to fly. So that's tinnitus and a lot more. The only problem I have was difficulty in getting ginkgo into Nigeria. It takes weeks. At times it gets to months, then it comes ginkgo is very, very expensive. The day I heard about refined, knowing that its content is super effective and it is cold pressed, and the extra being very cheap, I jumped at it. Same day, and I registered immediately. Actually, we went to one company. I don't want to mention any company's name. So I met a lady, they were talking. She now told me there is one product that I should register. I said, what's the name of the product? She told me, I said, I need to know the ingredients. She said, ginkgo. I said, gin what? I jumped. I said, where is the place? I need to register today. And I think it's around 5:30 or to 6. From Wuse, we had to go to Lugbe, Piakasa. When we got there, I told the lady, bring it out. Let me see. I saw the ingredient, ginkgo biloba plus ginseng panax. Ginkgo is a universal herb that is good for everybody. Ginseng panax is universal, that is good for all blood group. Blood A, blood B, blood A, B, and O. Then stevia is another good product. Now let me talk about ginkgo now. This is ginkgo leaf. I normally get it from outside. Getting this thing is very, very difficult and it's very expensive. At times I'll powder it. I'll add it to people's pap. It depends on ailments. I'm not the one, it's God. God has used ginkgo to cure glaucoma. No surgery. So, let me talk about ginkgo. Ginkgo, it is an ancient herb. Old. Once you hear ancient, old. It has lots of health benefits. Ginkgo biloba is a prophetic herb and the only surviving ancient organ of plants. Only surviving. I think we should all say, we should thank God. Then I'll say congratulations to everybody. Then it is sometimes referred to as a living fossil. Ginkgo biloba contains powerful antioxidants, and that is the reason why it is very, very expensive. Anti-inflammatory helps fight inflammatory, that is injury that is hidden in the body, like cancer and co, commences from where? Inflammation. It improves blood circulation and blood flow by improving the dilation of blood vessels. It decreases symptoms of psychiatric disorder and dementia. You know psychiatric disorder? Kolo. It enhances thinking faculty. If you need to pick up something, taking ginkgo, you'll be able to do the right thing at the right time. Then it improves brain function. You can think properly. How to calculate, okay, $1 times this, naira, $10 times whatever. You should understand that. It relieves anxiety. Antidepressant effect will treat depression. Let me be sincere with you. I don't want to say 50% of Nigerians, even world, 70 or 50% of the world population are depressed. We are not happy. But a lot of people are depressed, but they don't really know. Then it improves brain function and well-being. It supports vision. You see clearly. Then eye health. It helps in curing, underline that word, curing glaucoma, and improve vision because it increases blood flow to the eye. For example, ginkgo biloba once treated a patient 120 milligrams of ginkgo biloba a day over a period of 8 weeks. It can also improve or relieve the symptoms of asthma or other inflammatory disease. It can cure, underline it, cure asthma. It also treats sexual dysfunction, low libido, erection disorder. This is to increase blood flow to the sexual organ of the body. A lot of people, they don't need Viagra because Viagra has side effects. Ginkgo doesn't have any side effects if you take it properly. Reduces premenopausal symptoms. And you know, once most lady wants to enter menopause, hot flashes. Now, you are playing. The next minute, you are hungry. Now you are sweating. The next minute, the body, you are feeling somehow. So it does that. Can improve asthma and cold symptoms, reduces premenopausal, can help inflammation. Let me say 90% of the diseases that most of us are having, or most people are having, are linked to what? Inflammation. Malaria, typhoid, arthritis, goiter, everything has to do with inflammation. Arthritis, irritable bowel disease, cancer, heart disease, stroke. It's just inflammation somewhere. At times, we may hit our hand or body or something. You won't know. You will leave and go. Inflammation will start growing gradually. Before you know it, it will turn to another thing. If somebody is not careful, based on our lifestyle and what we eat, you start feeding that inflammation. You'll be feeding with sugar, red meat. You know, we have to eat according to our blood type. If your blood is A, certain things, that's a pure vegetarian blood. A, B, another group. B, another thing. You need to know what is good for that blood. So ginkgo, ginseng, everything, they are universal. I think we should clap for the owner of the company. Please, let's give the person a standing ovation. I'm sorry. Thank you so much. The next slide, please. Ginseng panax. Ginseng panax is another universal herb that is good for all blood type. Blood group A, B, O, and the rest. Ginseng panax, anti-diabetic, anti-aging. Ginseng has been used in traditional Chinese medicine for centuries. Ginseng contains 2 significant compounds, genocide and gintonin. Improves sexual function. And that is what is destroying most homes now. God will help us. Reduce cold and flu. You can see this can handle COVID-19. Increases sexual stimuli. Potent as antioxidant that may reduce inflammation. Ginkgo, inflammation. This, inflammation. Boost immune system. Increase energy level. Could lower blood sugar. Diabetes. help manage certain health conditions, diabetes, cognition, prostate enlargement, which is getting out of hand now. Then potential benefit against cancer. Next slide, please. This is stevia. This is stevia leaf, dry. It's not cold pressed. This is stevia syrup. To get all these things, they are something else, very expensive, and to bring them from another country to this country, it's not easy. All this, now, next slide, please. Stevia is often touted as safe and healthy sugar substitute that can sweeten up food without negative health effects linked to refined sugar. Associated with several impressive health benefits, reduced calories intake, risk of cavities, may help control diabetes, may aid in weight loss, may regulate blood pressure, possible anti-cancer. Have you seen it? Anti-cancer potential. Eliminate free radicals. It's the free radical that is actually destroying our health. Then, eliminate free radicals, may lower cholesterol levels, may aid in maintaining oral health. Oral health. You speak, your mouth will not be smelling, you have good. Then, may help improve skincare. You have a good skin. Stevia is useful against skin conditions such as eczema, dermatitis. Topical, you can apply it, you can rub it on your skin. Application of it inhibits the spread of bacteria and acts as a steroid in this situation. May prevent osteoporosis. You know osteoporosis? You know, at times, most of us, our hands like this will be seized. Then we'll be feeling some tingling, sensation. So it corrects it. Anti-diarrheal, anti-hyperglycemic, antidiuretic. That one will remove sugar and water and all those things from the body. Anti-inflammatory, reduces risk of pancreatic cancer and oral and skin health. That's stevia plus ginkgo biloba plus ginseng panax is equal to what? Refined. Small but what? Small but what? I think we should all say congratulations to ourselves. Thank you so much.
Thank you. That was so short and powerful. Oh my goodness, God. You know, there's something about when they say, there's an adage in Yoruba land. They say, na small, pin small. But not be waiting, chicken go swallow. They don't burn any liver to swallow am. You see this? This is small but mighty. Thank you so much for sharing that with us.